And that's what we want to do. We just want to bring that to light. And it's not even really about racism or sexism. Like I said before, it's not about race or sex. It's honestly just about being a human and just accepting other humans.
Yeah. Y'all know I'm with that. Y'all know I talk that every week. Just accepting people, you know what I'm saying? Just being cool. Like, why are you so worried about something that doesn't even affect you? Like, I'm confused. Why are you concerned about if somebody's gay or if somebody does this or that? Like, I'm honestly confused. Like, somebody help me. You feel me? I need help because I'm confused. But big shout out to my dog, Zip K. Definitely doing it big. Just relaunched that new website, man. I see you, fool. Talking some real-ish. When he dropped 404 error, you know, like, digitally, when you're on a computer, 404 error means not found. Well, I gotta say, Zip, I don't know, my man. I think they get it now. You know what I'm saying? I think they finally seeing it, bro. So just like that, we gonna get into this new track from my boy called Diamonds. It's The Message.